Welcome subscribers and all to my YouTube channel. Today Leah, my trusty assistant, will show you how to convert your crypto to fiat currency and withdraw it to your bank debit or credit card. Please follow each step carefully.
Thank you, CJ. First of all, log into your MetaMask wallet. And click or tap on the icon below with the upward and downward facing arrows and select Sell. Enter the amount of crypto you wish to sell. Make sure to select Debit or Credit under the option Send your crypto to. Choose your country by tapping or clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the currency. For us it's Namibia. Now choose the currency you wish to receive. Here I choose a euro, because it's easier to get a quote than with USD. The app will start fetching quotes with the best deal possible at the moment. You may get more than one quote. In this case we only got one quote, and that is from Mercury. Choose the quote that gives you the best rate. I mostly choose Moonpay as they usually give the best quotes. If we already had an account with Mercury, it would ask us to choose our desired card from the list. Since we do not have an account with them, we may go ahead and enter our debit or credit card details and click or tap on Sell. Now before we continue, something very important, KYC, know your client. Please be advised that if you do not have an account with any of these third-party payment companies, you will have to complete KYC at any given stage of the payment. The system will request that you upload a picture of the front and back of your national ID or passport. It is advisable to rather take new pictures that time by allowing the system access to your camera. Once done uploading, you will have to do a liveness check using your camera. Now that we have that out of the way, we can continue. After clicking or tapping on Sell, you will be directed to confirm the transfer of your crypto to Mercury's wallet, or in our case, as you will shortly see, Moonpay's wallet. At this point you will receive an email to your registered email at Mercury or Moonpay. You can decide to do the transfer from MetaMask now by confirming, or head to your email and do the transfer manually by sending your crypto to the crypto address they provided in the email. Make sure to send the right amount and to triple check the crypto wallet address you are sending to. Once Mercury or Moonpay has received the crypto you have sent and confirmed payment, you will receive this email that your euro payment is on the way. Do not worry, your bank will convert the euro to Namibian dollar automatically. The payment will be done through your Visa debit or credit card to your account, so it might take up to 3 days before it reflects. If you have the Moonpay app, you may track the status of your payment. What you see here on the screen are details of our payment which was successfully completed. Thank you all for joining in and following along. I hope this tutorial has helped you convert your crypto to fiat currency and withdraw it to your account. Please feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content alike.